Many people that look like him. Yeah, he even talks like you, Douglas.
Yeah, but see, this is it, you see.
Yeah.
Remember what you told John ages ago?
Yeah. Ghost adventurous.
Gosh, remember what you said to John ages ago? About you and me, and maybe even Danny? We got double gangers.
Everyone's got a double or more.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah.
That's what happens. Babe, did you give her any reason?
Yeah.
You have one?
Yeah.
Are you periscoping?
No, I'm actually videoing. I'm actually videoing because I can't do Periscope. Periscope's a bit.
You know what?
My Periscope is a bit. I can't have Periscope. It won't let me Periscope.
You won't let you periscope?
Not in a minute.
Danny's phone won't let him periscope.
I'm just video recording it.
Yeah, with Danny's periscope. You never know. But Danny's phone did go wrong today, so.
Babe, Tina, look, Tina, watch. Watch.
I'm alright. We've got panda eyes.
Boom.
No.
Who's that?
I only had 3 hours sleep last night.
Who's that? Who's that pretty bird? Who's that pretty bird?
Shopping?
Who's that pretty bird?
Not really, just got some paint.
What? What's up? Say, peel off. Say, go away. Say, go away.
Ha ha ha, very funny.
Say, go away.
With Danny's dad, he could go shopping with his wife, Danny's mum. And
What? Go careful, go careful.
Back to that. Together for how long has your mum and dad been together? 40 odd years?
No, longer than that.
More 50? No.
No, it won't be
No,
50.
because your mum's 50.
About 40 odd, yeah.
Well, 40 odd.